On today's video, I want to show you how to make money just by watching videos. There are a lot of websites that will allow you to earn money just by watching videos. You can do this on your mobile phone and you don't require skills to do this. You are not going to pay for anything. Everything that you have to do on this website is completely free. So there are a lot of opportunities on this website that I'm about to show you. So make sure you pay close attention, and if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. So the first website that we are going to be looking at is Zoomboxcom. On this website, you can do a lot of things to earn money online. But on this video, we are going to be focusing on how to make money watching videos. So as you can see, you can complete surveys right here. You can watch TVs here, and you are going to be earning money on this website. So as you can see on this website, what you need to do is that you have to just sign up. Once you sign up, you have to choose a TV, then you can start watching videos and you are going to earn money onto your PayPal accounts. Or if you prefer to receive your cash by gift card, you can receive your payment in different gift cards. You can receive it in Amazon gift card, Facebook gift card, Netflix gift card, Walmart gift card, any gift card that you want. This website will pay you. So now what I'll do is that I want to log in. So let me log in right here. So once you log in, you can see how much other users have earned on this website. You can see this one right here has got up to $239. You can see another one, $198. You can see $187. You can see $182, $168. So this is a website that you can use to also make money. So what you are going to be doing is that you are going to come to the left hand side of your screen and you are going to select watch. You can also select surveys to complete survey offers. You can click here offers and you are going to get offers to complete before you earn points. So once you earn your points, you are going to see it right here. As you can see my points here, 10,000 points. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to just click on watch. So we are focusing on watch video. So you are going to click on watch. Once you click on watch, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to click on this one, as you can see it right here. So once you click on this one, you are going to click on start. Once you click on start, you are going to be directed to this page, and what you are going to do is that you are going to sign up for an account on this website. And what you are going to be doing is that you are going to select a category that you want to watch videos on. So you can select the food category, you can select DIY category, you can just select watch videos and you are going to get random videos to watch. So for example, I'm going to select the food category. So you are going to just click on that and you see a lot of videos that you can watch to earn money on this website. So you are going to click on the food category. So once you click on the food category, you are going to see videos like this. As you can see, these are how-to videos, so you are going to be watching them and you'll be earning points after you complete watching the videos. As you can see this one right here, how to make watermelon cupcakes. So you can see this is a tutorial video, so you are going to watch it. Once you finish watching it, you earn points. So once you finish watching a video, there are a lot of videos here that you can watch. As I scroll, you can see many of them. So what you'll be doing is that you have to open these videos in many tabs and you are going to be earning many points whilst you watch them at the same time. So as you can see, so this is a simple way that you can use to make money on this website. So let's now move to the next website that you can also earn money just by watching videos. So the next website is Anabully.com. On this website, you can see you are going to earn rewards by completing tasks, watching videos, and then taking surveys. So we are going to focus on watching videos. So what you are going to do is that you are going to sign up for an account. So what this website does is that you are not going to get the videos on their platform, but they are going to link you to other websites that you can watch videos and then earn money. So once you earn the money, you can get paid through your PayPal accounts. You can receive Amazon gift card, you can see Facebook gift card, you can see a lot of gift cards that you can redeem your points. So you can use this website to also make money on your mobile phone. So now let's move to the next website that you can earn money just by watching videos. So when you come here, you can see Inbox Dollars. This is another great website that you can use to make money just by watching videos. So when you come here, you can see the different ways that you can earn money on this website. First is watching videos, second is taking surveys, the third one is shopping and cash offers. So what you are going to do is that you are going to sign up. Once you sign up, you are going to get $5 as a bonus for signing up with this website. So once you sign up, you can just be watching videos and you are going to be earning money on this website. So as I scroll, you can see the different ways that you can earn money on this website right here. So as I scroll, you can see how to earn. But this website, they are going to pay you directly onto your bank accounts. If you are not from the US, you can use Payoneer, you can use TransferWise to receive your payment on this, or you can also receive your payment via check. So make sure you sign up for this website and you can begin to watch videos and earn money right on your phone. So the next website is that we are going to come to this website, Cascade.com. On this website too, you can earn money just by watching videos. So when you come here, you can see answer surveys, find great deals, and then watch videos. You can also see save the web. So this is another great website that you can earn money just by watching videos. You don't need to do anything. You are just going to be watching them on your phone and you can earn passive income on this particular website. As you can see testimonials about this website. So as you can see them right here. So you have to just come here and then sign up for an account. You can see you are going to be paid directly to your PayPal account. So you can see get paid directly to your PayPal account. So you have to create a PayPal account and you can receive payment once you watch the videos on this website. So let's move to the next one. The next one is grabpoints.com. This is another website that you can use to also make money just by watching videos. So when you come here, the first way that you can make money is watching videos. You can see answer surveys, completing offers. So we are focusing on watching videos. So you can just come here, sign up for an account. You are going to be getting videos to watch. Once you watch those videos, you can earn cash for just watching some short videos. So you don't need to spend a lot of time doing this. You can just spend some few minutes and then watch the video. Once you watch the videos, you can earn money on this particular website. So as you can see, you can redeem your points on gift cards or you can receive cash. So as you can see, you can receive PayPal cash, you can see Amazon gift cards, you can see free Visa gift card, you can see Google Pay codes, you can see Walmart gift cards. There are a lot of ways that you can redeem your points on this particular website. So make sure you sign up for an account and you can begin to use this website that I've shown you to make passive income from home. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Once again, thank you for watching. We shall meet in another video.